Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove someone as a moderator on TikTok live. Alright guys, it's very simple. Now let's get started. The first step to take is to open your TikTok and go live on TikTok. Alright, so once you're live just like this and you want to remove someone as a moderator, this is all you have to do. Click on the three dots at the bottom right corner to get more option. Now once you tap on that, then just scroll and click on settings. Now once you click on settings, then you get moderators option right here. Click on that and you find all the people you've added as your moderator. Right here I have only one person added as my moderator, so if I want to remove this guy, all I have to do is to click on the edit button next to the user, and then I'll find the option to remove at the top right corner of this window. Now once I click on that, then I will have to confirm that by clicking on remove, and this person is going to be removed as a moderator on my TikTok live. So guys, this is how you can remove someone as a moderator on TikTok live. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like guys, and equally subscribe to get more TikTok tips like this. I share TikTok tips on this channel weekly. Alright, so please subscribe and get more like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.